flower of life symbol is believed to represent the cycle of creation. This beautiful 2D illustration contains equally proportioned overlapping circles. The tutorial for how to draw the flower of life pattern is already up on the channel. Please check the link in the description below. I have drawn circles of radius 5 cm, 5.5 cm, 6 cm and 7 cm around it, and divided them into 32 equal parts. I wanted to convert this 2D illustration into a beautiful mandala piece. You can draw any number of circles and patterns around it. I am using pencil and fine liner pens of varying tip sizes to draw my patterns. The key to draw perfect patterns is to practice and draw them slowly at first. Mandala drawing needs patience and dedication. The exercise of drawing the same pattern again and again with concentration is a meditative process. Your mind will slowly become a blank slate. It will get lost in the beauty of creating new patterns around the sheet. I believe it is a stress-relieving process. Even just watching a mandala drawing relaxes your mind. The next thing you need to do after drawing the patterns is to fill them. Each artist has their own style and own imagination. Therefore, the same piece can be filled with varying other patterns and can give it a new look every time. I want you all to try and draw your own patterns inside it. Fill them with the pattern of your choice. It's all about imagination and experimentation. Like here, I thought a lotus will look good inside these small leaf pattern. It's simple yet beautiful to look at. Use broader tip pens for outlining your mandala or your patterns and more finer tip pens for filling your intricate patterns. The division of circles in equal parts serves as your guideline between two patterns. This division can be made easily by using a protractor or a compass. If you want to know how to divide your circles using a compass, there is already a tutorial on my channel. Please check the link in the description below. I love this part of filling around the intricate designs to make it stand out. The magic that happens just before your eyes. The intricate patterns look so much more beautiful after you fill around them. Drawing the outline within the outlined pattern is the tricky part. Draw very slowly to avoid mistakes. Also, it would help me immensely if you hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you like my drawing and want to see more such videos. If you find value in my content, please hit the like button, share this drawing with your friends, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.